Have you ever needed money for something and just didn't have it? It's a terrible feeling. I remember when I used to run out of money long before I ran out of money. In fact, I remember vividly this one time where my car broke down, but I just didn't have the cash in my checking account to cover the repair. The bill was over $1,200 and I had no choice but to put it on our credit card. You know, the one that's supposed to be for emergencies? Well, I needed a car, so this qualified. Of course, when it rains, it pours. Later that same month, I came home and my basement was completely flooded with water. Another $800 on the credit card. A few weeks goes by, and all of a sudden, I get the credit card bill in the mail. The bill was for over $2,000 and caught me a little off guard. I'd been busy working on my online business and almost forgot about the emergency expenses from the past month. I didn't want to have interest charges, and I was trying to avoid charging up my card because we were trying to buy a house. So I needed to figure out a way to pay off that $2,000, and fast. At that time, I was just starting out online, so I didn't have a very big email list, and I was terrified of using paid traffic. I needed to figure out a free traffic method that would get me traffic fast, convert well, and work for a high-ticket offer so I could bank $2,000 as quickly as possible. After spinning my wheels and racking my brain for a couple of days, I finally had an idea. First, I found a high-ticket affiliate offer that anyone can promote. I also had an idea to put a twist on a free traffic method that I had been using for a few weeks. The idea was simple. I was going to send the free traffic directly to the high-ticket offer. No email list or any complicated setup. Just free traffic to a really cool, high-ticket offer that had a track record of great conversions. I hoped it would work, but in the back of my head I had my doubts. It couldn't be this easy to make $2,000, I thought to myself. I got it all set up in about an hour and went to bed. The next morning, I jumped out of bed excited to see how much money I'd made. I checked my stats and discovered that I'd made nothing. I started thinking about killing the whole thing and trying to think up another method. I checked my stats one more time after lunch and I fell out of my chair. My wife asked me what the heck I was doing in my office, and I yelled back to her from the floor to let her know that the credit card bill would be covered. That was my first experience with fast cash methods, and I got hooked fast. Over the past few months, I've tested several methods for making nice amounts of money fast and easily. These methods are great for coming up with money for things like car repairs, household expenses, medical bills, paying down debt, rent, you name it. Really, anything you need some quick cash for. I've kept these methods pretty close to my chest, but after chatting with a good buddy Paul, he talked me into releasing these methods to the public. After all, they can't ever be saturated and they can work for anyone, even total newbies. And you're not going to just get one method today. Nope. I'm giving you 5 of my best fast cash methods in my new training course called Fast Cash 5. Each method is 100% newbie friendly, includes step-by-step training. You get a simple traffic plan included in each method, mostly free traffic. No special skills or experience needed. You can start making money in your PayPal account within just a few short hours. Make up to $187 within 24 hours from right now. Rinse and repeat and scale up as big as you want. Fast Cash 5 is like getting 5 training courses for the price of 1. Inside, you get 5 methods that will put money in your pocket within 24 hours or less. And some of the methods will work even faster than that. Plus, everything inside is newbie friendly and proven to work. I'm even including my high-ticket method that banked me $1,236.80 in less than 24 hours with 100% free traffic and no email list. So you can copy and paste what I did and get the same results for yourself. Because these methods work for anyone that follows the steps inside, it would be easy to charge $497 for access. After all, even at $497, you'd quickly make your investment back and then some. And remember, you're getting 5 complete methods. Even though you'll be able to use these 5 methods to put hundreds or even thousands of dollars in your pocket this week with these fast cash methods, you're not going to invest anywhere near $497 when you get Fast Cash 5 right now. In fact, you won't pay $297 or even $97, which would be a great deal for all 5 fast cash methods. When you click the button below, you'll get all 5 methods, including my high-ticket fast cash methods, for a tiny one-time investment. But don't wait around. The price on Fast Cash 5 is going up fast, and if you close this page and come back later, you'll end up spending more money. To make it easy for you to get this now, I'm including some money-making bonuses and giving you 30 days to make sure that this is really for you. If you change your mind for any reason, just let me know and I'll get you a refund. The only way that you can lose out is by missing out on your chance to get my top 5 fast cash methods right now. If you like the idea of being able to bank money fast, you owe it to yourself to get Fast Cash 5 right now. Click the button below now to lock in your special discount and get instant access to Fast Cash 5. You can have money in your pocket within hours.